kaming mag-landing. Wow, clouds. Hello. Hello, Dandy. What can you say? Video. Message. Wow, mukhang umuulan sa Manila. Oh my God. Oh my God. Malapit na po. Wow, clouds. Sobrang clouds. As in. Wow, sobrang clouds. Nandiyan lang. Ewan ko lang. Oh, may bagyo sa Manila, girl. So, tingnan mo yung ulap. Oo nga, buti pinakain tulutan niya tayo ngayon. Save by the
Umulan man, tulog tayo.
Oo, tama. Malakas man yung hangin, pauwi na tayo. Girl, ang saya-saya.
Umambon na.
Oh my God, ayan na yung city. Yun yung Manila, look.
Balat yata.
Sino?
Oo.
Parang S-Lex ata to, no?
Oo, South tayo.
Oo. Yeah, gotta go. We're gonna landing. Woo! Yee! Saya-saya. Hindi pa naman. Maaraw pa naman. Makapal lang yung ulam. Oo, mabasa yung highway. Yeah, this is the van. This is what you call city. Gosh. Now we're going home. Thank God we were safe.